Okay, what we have there?
So we have some other questions. What's the difference between zoning and building permits? Zoning is what we look at when we first start designing a house, and zoning is the fabric of the neighborhood. And when I say the fabric of the neighborhood, it might be more dense neighborhood, or it could be a neighborhood that is up north, up in Aurelia or something like that. So zoning tells me how much I can build on that piece of property, the height of it, the setbacks of the buildings. They're sort of like the rules, the guidelines of how to design a house.
It tells you like what you can and cannot do it.
Yeah.
Like setbacks, maximum height, maximum area, lot coverage,
Yeah.
everything. So that's the zoning. And for permit?
A building permit is a legal piece of paperwork, which is basically the designs stamped by the city, which say that you can actually build this. You're actually allowed to build this design on this piece of property. And permits are only for that property. So I can design a house, but I can't necessarily take that house and transfer it to another property because zoning kicks in, it might be different. And the building permit itself is only addressed to that specific street.
Funny story, we have a client who did that. We got a permit, it was a building with 4 units. We got the permit for the unit, I think it was C, and then the client called like a year later saying that he built on the unit D. We had a hard time to convince the city that they built in the wrong unit. We had to apply all again for the city permits because like each unit, each house, like it
has its own permit.
Different, and now we're still having a hard time to get the final permit for that client.
Yeah, because it's built after the fact, and that can be a very dangerous thing.